Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get monetization on YouTube. So if you want to get monetization, let's ask Google Bird what to do. You can get your specific answer here. How to get monetization on YouTube. How to get monetization on YouTube. You can see here clearly, to get monetization on YouTube you need to meet the following requirements: have at least 1000 subscribers, have at least 4000 watching hours in past 12 months, have a link with approved AdSense account, follow all YouTubers community guidelines, and get the monetization policies. Once you meet the requirements, you can apply for monetization through your YouTube studio. To apply monetization, sign in your YouTube first. In the left menu, click channel. Under monetization, click start. Review and agree the YouTube partner program terms and conditions. Link your AdSense account, click submit. Okay, so this is how you can get YouTube monetization, and your application will be notify you when it has been approved or rejected. If your application is rejected, you can make another after 30 days. Here are some tips to get your YouTube monetized. Create high quality content, engaging content and audience will love. Promote your channel on social media and other platforms. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Be patient and consistent. It takes some time to build successful channel. Once you have been approved for monetization, you can start earning money from your YouTube ads. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.